Hello everyone, it is me, Ziggy Sweet, once again here at the Flint camp. My son Ferris Frost.
Hey, sup?
And I are the only ones out here today, and we're just doing player versus player. We did one round. I was the hider, he was the seeker. Basically we had a shootout. I shot him in the face, but he had 2 lives. He respawned and we both reloaded, and then he shot me. Well, he did the bang roll because he was really close. He snuck up on me and I ran out of bullets, and I tried to go for my sidearm and I wasn't quick enough because I'm fat and old. And there you go, that's how it worked. So that's how it worked. So we're just sitting out here now taking a break. Got ourselves a nice campfire going. It's beautiful, sunny out here. It's awesome. We're just having fun. First day of summer vacation for Ferris, so his last day of school was yesterday. So Ferris Frost is a very happy young man. And I get to stay out here and hang out with him, and it's fun. So yeah, we're having some good times out here. Anyways, I hope everyone is having a great day, as good as ours. I will talk to you later. See ya! Later. See ya!
It's always been the same. On my own again. Life is just a game, driving me insane. To him.